advertising and backgrounds and movies within our system. To create a new theme for the backgrounds on your lane monitors while bowlers are not bowling, you can add a new theme. You can change the name of the theme, give it a name. Main Street Lanes. We can set different settings as far as movement type, how the image is going to be sliding in and out, how many seconds to slide in and slide out, how long will each the image or video be displayed on your lane monitors. If you have images that have more verbiage on them, you would probably want the duration to be a little bit longer. You can add images from a file. So I can come in here and select some images and hit open. It will go ahead and save them and display them on your screen here and verify that they look good. You can also add from the image library. So we have various different images that you can select from or choose your own images that have been uploaded. So I can come in here and put some images into the system. Select which ones I want and then select, and it will populate your playlist. You can then rearrange the order, move them up, move them down. You can duplicate a certain image. For example, if you had a logo that you wanted to have displayed every so many slides, you can do something like that. You can rearrange the order, select an image or video, and then click move up until you have it where you want it. You can put images up there letting people know that they can advertise if you're selling advertisement to local businesses. So it gives you some different options there. Once you have created your playlist, then you need to associate the theme to the lanes and choose which theme you want to display on which pairs of lanes. So you could have more than one theme being played and with different images. Just depends on what you want it to do. In this case, I'm going to select the Main Street Lanes sample theme that I created. And once you've assigned them, you can go down here at the bottom. It says VLC to synchronize. A VLC is our Vision Lane computer. We can hit Save Data and Synchronize. It shows that our computers are connected, and it gives them some different options here. We can tell it to synchronize now. We can tell it to synchronize all whenever they are first reconnected. And we can tell it to schedule the synchronization. This synchronization process copies the files from your server out to your lane computers, and it should be done when the lanes are not in use or if the bowling center is closed, one or the other. If I hit synchronize now, then it's going to go ahead and go through that synchronization process. On your lanes manager screen, you would see this icon displaying that it's actually synchronizing that pair of lanes. And then once it's done, it's going to reboot that lane computer and move on to the next pair of lanes. We go back to the advertising manager. It displays our themes that we have there. We also have some other options for you to edit and customize. Some of our new landscape animations have some advertising capabilities built into them. And so while the bowlers are bowling, within the new animations are some billboards and some places where it displays these advertisements. So you can change these images out and put your own images into those advertisements. And so you can utilize this to do the same thing and put your own images in there. And while people are bowling, they'll see these advertisements or images, whatever you wanted to put up there. And again, you would choose the save data and synchronize, and you can assign it to whichever lanes you wanted to. We also have the capability of adding your own MP4 videos onto the scoring to customize. These videos will also play in addition to the various animations that we have built in. You could either download some movies or create your own. This video here I took at an air show. You want them to be about 7 seconds long, and then they'll play in between when bowlers are bowling. So they throw a ball and the animation or video will display on the monitor while the ball is coming back. And it'll randomly choose videos from your list or animations, interchange between animations and videos. You can also assign what we call good and bad videos. So good videos would be for a good throw, bad videos would be for a bad throw. If we go to the throw classification over here for 10 pin, you can see that it says a strike is a good throw, spare is a good throw, a gutter would be a bad throw. And so you can classify what constitutes a good throw or a bad throw, and then have different videos show up depending on what kind of a throw it is. So it could be a fun way to interact with your bowlers. Again, once you've set everything, you can associate these themes to your lane pairs and save data and synchronize. The last items on here are for our various movies. So we have a lot of different movies and animations that are in the system. And so you can go through them and remove anything that you don't like or don't want to display. You can add your own. They have to be a specific certain type of file size, MPEG or M1V movie file. But you can, it allows you to customize some of the animations and videos and stuff that are played. The last item that we have at the top is customization for our Stel pads. So some of our customers that have Stel pads, this gives the capability of adding screensaver images to your Stel pad so that your menu does not burn in to your touchscreen. This gives you some different capabilities, either to put an image that floats, bounces around the screen, or you could actually put advertisement image up there as well. So if we wanted to advertise something, you can put that up there, and when they're not bowling or after a timeout, or if no one's bowling on that lane, it will display these images on your touchscreen. Again, once you have completed your playlist or the images that you want to display there, then you can, in this case, transfer the data to the server, and it's going to transfer to the proper location for these images to be used as a screensaver for your StelPad touchscreen. If anyone has any questions on this information or needs some assistance in implementing it, please give us a call. We'd be glad to assist you however we can. Thanks and have a great day.